Pharmacognosy of opium. Synonym: raw opium. Biological source: the latex is collected from unripe capsules upon incision of Papaver somniferum. The latex is dried fully or partially by heat or spontaneous evaporation. The irregular shaped masses or bolts of uniform sizes and shapes are found. It contains not less than 9.5% of morphine, calculated as anhydrous morphine. Opium belongs to Papaveraceae family. When we see the geographical source, it is available in India, Pakistan, Afghanistan, Turkey, Russia, and China. Cultivation and collection. There are more than 50 different species exist in genus Papaver, out of which 6 species are found in India, like Papaver nudicule, Papaver roseus, Papaver argemone, Papaver dubium, Papaver somniferum, and Papaver orientale. It is an erect plant having 60 to 110 centimeter height approximately. It is branched, having linear, oblong or ovate oblong leaves, bluish white, violet or purplish flowers. Cultivation of opium is mainly done in certain regions like Madhya Pradesh, Punjab, Rajasthan, and Uttar Pradesh under government supervision. The yield depends upon the weather condition. It grows well in temperate climate. It can also grow well in winter season, but extreme cold and frost adversely affects the plant and the yield of opium. The cool weather without freezing temperature and fog or cloudiness with full sunshine favors the growth of the plant and gives better yield. It grows in November to March. The propagation is done mainly by sowing of seeds. Generally, 3 to 4 kgs of seeds are required per hectare. The seeds are mixed with sand in the proportion 1:3 and sown in soil. The well-drained loamy soil is preferred for cultivation. The soil should have the pH 7 for better cultivation. Organic matters and fertilizers are supplied for cultivation. The distance should be 25 centimeter in between two plants. The plant reaches up to 1 meter height. Charpala, this is the specified that device used to collect the dried latex of opium. Each capsule is cut several times at interval of 2 or 3 days. The dried latex is kneaded into balls, then wrapped in poppy leaves and dried in shade and stored in plastic container. The capsules are collected and dried in open areas, and further the seeds are separated by beating. The diacetyl morphine is otherwise called as heroin. So if acetyl group is attached in these two, then it is called heroin. Acetic anhydride is required for conversion of morphine into heroin, diacetyl morphine. Chemical test: opium is dissolved in water and filtered. To the filtrate, add ferric chloride solution, which gives a deep reddish purple color. This purple color persists even on addition of hydrochloric acid, indicates the presence of meconic acid, which ensures the detection of opium. This test is general for its detection. Morphine gives orange red color when sprinkled on nitric acid, whereas codeine does not give this test. Morphine solution develops bluish green color upon addition of potassium ferricyanide and ferric chloride. Papaverine solution develops lemon yellow color with hydrochloric acid and potassium ferricyanide solution. Uses: It is used as hypnotic, sedative, and analgesic, but have addiction property. So given in severe pain or if patient does not show a response to other analgesics. It stimulates the chemoreceptor zone in medulla, which leads to nausea and vomiting. Codeine, mild analgesic, which is potent to aspirin, relieves local irritation in bronchial tract and as an antitussive. Papaverine has smooth muscle relaxant activity. Narcotin or Nascafin used in cough preparations due to its depressant action on cough reflex. Diacetylmorphin, also known as heroin, has more narcotic analgesic effect than morphine. Adulterants. The adulterated forms shows the presence of opium capsules in powdered form, gum, and sugary fruits. Generally, opium is not found to be adulterated due to the protection done under government control. Allied drugs, papaver dubium, papaver orientate, papaver argemone, hybrids of papaver somniferum and papaver orientate. These species does not possess morphine content.